We built this 2-bedroom eco cabin in the middle of the bushes in Portland in little over 3 months. Yes, you heard me correctly. I am here to show you that it is possible. And this off-grid cabin has everything that you need to stay in style and all the things that modern living has to offer. We are so secluded. We are right beside a river and right beside a waterfall. When I am here, I just can be myself. I can be in peace. I can be in quiet. Our entire family enjoys our time here so much. Our kids just love looking through these huge windows. There are so many birds that come to visit, so many different creatures, and the wind just blows. The rain falls on the zinc roof and it's just so romantic and peaceful. We have 2 bedrooms and they all have everything you need. We have our AC, we have automatic blinds, and of course the huge windows. The mattresses are very comfortable. We have 500 thread count sheets and covers, and of course we have to have extra blankets because it gets really cold. The back veranda is the highlight. I love watching the eagles, I call it. It's not a junk row. Me promise, it's not junk row. From the back veranda, that's where the big birds fly by, and you get a beautiful view of the mountains. No buildings, no houses, no botheration, no traffic lights, no traffic, just nature and us. I'm gonna take you into the other bedroom, which is very similar to the other, but it doesn't have that beautiful open view. It's just a view of the hill, and I cannot wait for the flowers to grow and all the beautiful ferns that are coming back after a huge drought that we have. Of course, this room, as the other one, also has AC, and it's not that spacious. Like when you build off grid, you want to be efficient because you want to capitalize on the space. And of course we have a full kitchen with everything, fridge there, sink there, next to the window. We have to bring the outside inside, and the backsplash is acrylic. You see that the backsplash, nice. The counter was made out of concrete. The cabinets, them not so proud of it. The carpenter kind of shabby, but we are work with it. And of course we have an electric stove. The extraction fans are there, and let me tell you, because we're so secluded, we have so many springs nearby, the water in the sink is drinkable, so we can pull that American move me always see in the movie, where you can go straight to the pipe and drink water and you know get sick. Yeah man, you can drink straight from the pipe. Yes, so the water nice and fresh and cool and naturally. Now it's time to go to the bathroom, because yes, we have a full bathroom inside. And in here we have everything you need, again in style. Look on the wall, how the wall covered with a plexiglass, and you just see your reflection there. We have our sink, our cabinets, everything that you need indoor, and of course the shower have hot water, because when me tell Uno say we are bring the modern in the rural, so we do it. And I have to do that floor looking like the river floor, because the river, as I said, is just like 1 minute walk from here. So the river, I can actually hear the river from the bathroom. So I really hope that you enjoyed this tour. Of course, we are off grid, which means that we have solar panel on the roof. Again, we're in the middle of nowhere, so there is no utilities here. So this is just to show you that it's possible, and you too can do it. Let me know if you enjoyed this tour, and if you would love to stay here, because at the end of the day, mi casa es tu casa. Thank you so much for watching. Mucha love.